they're becoming a thing. And I think I'm here for it. But I need to say something, because I feel like at one point headband wigs were not the move, because it was all about that realistic hairline with the frontals and the closures, mostly the frontals. But now people are realizing that that is just too much work, and don't nobody got time to be laying a hairline before they gotta go to work or something like that. And it takes a lot to maintain, like it's just too much. So that's why I feel like these headband wigs that are honestly they're really nothing but a half wig with a headband sewed onto it, but they're becoming a thing again, and rightfully so, because a lot of them are super cute and they're super fast and convenient. So I'm about to try mine on. And you guys, like, I have a lot of hair that I never feel like doing, so I've been like secretly liking wigs a lot. Please don't wake up, please. Okay, so first things first, got my brush, got some edge control, this stuff. Bro, you're playing with me right now. Do I want a part? Have I seen parts on YouTube? Can you have a part with it? I think I'm gonna keep the part. So I basically have to Should I do the baby hairs before I put the wig on? I think I'm gonna do that. Alright, baby hair time, and y'all, I'm not a baby hair pro. I guess y'all should be the ones to see. This viewfinder is so little, and my glasses are just not on. Okay. Oh, that's not bad. Wait a second, y'all. Okay, okay. Is this how it's supposed to be done? It just looks weird, because like my hairline is mad thick. Look, my hairline looks like an unplugged wig. There we go. Okay, I guess I'll braid it. Oh, I hate when I like have more hair in one section than the other. Oh, that's so annoying. Oh, it's about to be real messy. I'm sharing sections. Ooh, 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 I got it. Alright, we made it work. Alright. Now for the hair. A wig cap. What else did it come with? You always got some random, I knew it. And some eyelashes. Okay. Oh, and this company is Sinosure. And I got this in 24 inches. If you can see that, it doesn't really matter because it's in Chinese, Mandarin. Oh. Oh, it smells funny. Okay, this is a nice texture. I love curly hair. That's my favorite kind of hair. So it has this black headband attached to it already. And the back of it has Velcro. The inside of it is just regular wefts sewn onto a cap. It's got how many clips? How many combs? So 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. We're about to try this baby on. I think I am gonna put on a wig cap. Oh man. Hold that thought. Say hey Zane. Now I'm gonna put the wig on, fresh out of the bag. I don't know how to do this. I hope this is big head friendly. Here are the clips. Oh, y'all, I don't know. Let's see. Maybe I'll do this because the hair is getting in the way of me trying to put the wig on. Okay. This is about to be a struggle. Oh, this is disrespectful. The hair is in the way. Alright. I don't know how I feel about this. Oh, I mean, it looks cute. I'm glad I did that. I'm glad I kept that part. This is not a big head friendly wig. Like, I finessed it, but you can still see the wig cap. Maybe I should take the wig cap off. But I shouldn't have to do all of that. Like, it should just work. Let me take the wig cap off. All right, I really want this to work. Like, I really do. All right, so put the clips like right here. Oh my gosh. It shouldn't be this hard. Alright, you're hungry. I know. Just give me a second. It's cute, but I bought it so that I can put my hair in a ponytail. I forgot to put on the actual headband. I wish it was fuller. It just doesn't fit properly. Like, this was a fail because I have a big head and big hair. Who can I give this away to one of my little head homegirls? My sister has a little head. It's my fault. This would be amazing if my head was little. What do y'all think? Tell me what y'all think in the comments, cause like I'm feeling it at certain angles. What's it look like? It's just thin. Like, it's not dense enough. It's so upsetting because the hair itself feels really, really nice. A nice texture. There's a company that I bought 6x6 closure wigs from. I bought 2 of them. And those wigs were definitely big hair friendly. So I might have to go on that website. And when I do, I'll come back and show you guys what I find. But for now, I guess this is decent. Tell me what you think. I'm gonna go now because he's just cutting up. Bye, y'all. Alright, so hold the phone. I was like combing it out and I kind of like the fluffiness of it when you comb it out. So I'm about to try that and see, because remember how I was saying I don't like how thin it is. Oh, this is a cute texture compared to this. Compared to this. Yeah, all I had to do was comb it out. See, I still stand where I stand about, you know, not being big head friendly. That's something I can't comb out, you know. I like it now. How is that looking? I wish I could see. I forget everything that I said before. It is big head. It is not for big heads because you gotta struggle a little bit to get it on. But once you actually get it on, it's actually not that bad.